Hello friends, this is Vinay, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make Windows 11 bootable USB drive using command prompt. So let's get started. So before you start following the procedure, you need two things. The first one is ISO image of Windows 11. I have already created a video on how to download the ISO image of Windows 11 from Microsoft, so check it. And the second thing you need is a USB stick of minimum 8 GB of storage. So once you have both, you are good to go. So first of all, you need to insert your USB stick to your device. Now you need to open command prompt, and for that you need to click on the search icon available on the taskbar and type command prompt. When it appears in the search results, you need to click on this run as administrator option. When USC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. Now here you need to execute few commands. So let's start with the first one, that is disk part, and hit enter. Now this will start the disk part tool in the command prompt. Now the second command is list disk. Now here you will get the list of all the storage devices connected to your device. You need to find out the disk number of that USB stick that you are going to turn into Windows 11 bootable USB stick. So in my case it is disk 1, but it is possible that in your case it is disk 2. So you need to confirm the disk number. So the next command is going to be select disk 1. If it is disk 2 in your case, then command is going to be select disk 2. But in my case it is disk 1, so the command is select disk 1 and hit enter. Now you will get the message that disk 1 is now selected disk. Now type clean and hit enter. Now you will get the message that the disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now the next command is going to be create partition primary and then hit enter. You will get the message that disk part succeeded in creating the specified partition. Now next command is going to be select partition 1 and hit enter. Now you'll get the message that partition 1 is now the selected partition. Next command is going to be format fs is equal to anti-fs quick. So this command is going to format your USB stick, so make sure you have created a backup of your data. So now hit enter and wait for format process to complete. So the format process completed successfully, and you can see that it gives the message that disk part successfully formatted the volume. Now type the next command, that is active, and hit enter. Now you will get the message that disk part mark the current partition as active. Now you can type the last command, that is exit, and hit enter. So this will close the disk part tool. So now you can minimize the command prompt on your device. Now you need to locate your ISO image of Windows 11 and you need to double click to mount the ISO image. Now you will get all the files and folder available in this ISO image. All you need to do is just copy all the files and locate the USB stick and paste the data into the stick. So once the data copying process completes, you have successfully created your Windows 11 bootable USB stick. Now you can use this USB to install Windows 11 on your device. So that's all about this video. This is how you can create Windows 11 bootable USB stick using command prompt. Give it a try. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.